Discovered a HEDPUIF file with no obvious application association? This is an extremely rare file extension. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to investigate these HEDPUIF specialized data files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective HEDPUIF file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. HEDPUIF files are uncommon specialized data files with no widely documented application association. They likely contain proprietary data from a niche industry-specific tool, internal corporate application, or custom development project. Identifying the source application is the critical first step for proper handling. HEDPUIF files use an undocumented format that could be binary structured text or compressed data. Without public documentation, the internal structure must be discovered through hex analysis, context investigation, or contacting the file's source. The unusual extension suggests it is custom or domain-specific rather than a mainstream format. For reliable access to HEDPUIF, start with Hex Editor. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows offers no decoding ability, so a compatible legacy viewer is essential. To open this specific HEDPUIF file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Hex Editor is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. When your HEDPUIF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this HEDPUIF error to appear? First, examining file header. Open the HEDPUIF file in a hex editor such as HXD-HexFiend or 010 editor. Examine the first 16 bytes for magic numbers that may identify the underlying format. Many file formats begin with characteristic bytes, like 54B for zip or 8950 for PNG, that reveal their actual type behind the unusual extension. Next, searching file databases. Search file extension databases like fileinfo.com, filext.com, and online file extension references for HEDPUIF references. Specialized industry forums and developer communities may have information about uncommon formats. Search engine queries combining the extension with possible industry contexts may reveal the originating application. Finally, requesting original format. Contact the sender of the HEDPUIF file and request the data in a standard documented format like CSV, JSON, XML, or PDF. This eliminates the need for proprietary application access and ensures data accessibility. Many uncommon formats are exports from systems that also support standard format export options. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.